This exceptional 5-bedroom and 5.5-bath luxury estate in Cypress Head with garden and lake views can be yours. Located on a large tree-lined corner lot, the exterior of the home features lush landscaping, a saltwater pool, screened patio, an expansive cul-de-sac driveway, and a grand porte-cochere entrance. Once inside, marvel at all the open space. The dining area has a wall-mount electric fireplace and seats many. The new chef's kitchen has a sub-zero refrigerator, Wolf double ovens, and 6-burner gas stove, 2 Mealy dishwashers, and quartz countertops. Also featured are marble floors, impact windows, and a whole house generator. Through the pantry is a large prep kitchen, complete with a commercial-grade refrigerator freezer, an LG washer-dryer, and so much storage. The guest wing has 4 en-suites and an adjacent game area. 2 large, comfortable en-suites in the back mirror one another. The 4th en-suite can be used as a guest bedroom. Its cabana bath leads out to the pool and yard. The east wing of the house includes a private office and guest half bath, and the primary ensuite with its electric fireplace and French doors to the pool. There's also a coffee and wine bar with a mini fridge and sink, plus a very cozy sitting area, just for you to relax and unwind after a long day. The boutique-style custom walk-in closet is well appointed and just dreamy. Once in the primary bath, you won't want to leave. Warm wooden cabinetry and double vanity sinks are punctuated by sparkling light fixtures. Enjoy the large walk-in shower or the Japanese-style soaking tub. Yes, this is a home you will want to see and own.